Hi, Lynette.
The all-Salvador officer in charge of the gas and market administrator, Mr. Ronald Pasano.
This is Mel Peña, Navidad 23, Province of
Number 5, Linel Navidad from Albay. She's 23 years old, stands 5, 6 and height, and measures 32, 24, and 35.
As the same feeling being called last, but I am ready.
Okay, always ready? May pick the name of your judge? And your
It doesn't cost a penny, and yet it's so priceless.
At eto na nga siya, kilalanin na natin ang ating mutya ng Himalang 2025. She is candidate number
5. Thank you so much for joining us in the celebration of culture, heritage, and empowerment.
This has been your night.